Yeah. I'm winning, I'm winning. Just because they said it doesn't make it true. What you think of me is a reflection of you. I rise above the haters, not giving them my time. Folk will always have something to say, so I focus on my shine. Don't get caught up in the chatter. I remember it doesn't matter. I'm winning, I'm winning. Oh, just because they said it, oh, doesn't make it true. Ooh, what you think of me is a reflection of you. Oh, I rise above the haters, not giving them my time. Hey, I understand the truth, not sure why you hate my grind. Oh, don't get caught up in the chatter. Now I know it doesn't matter. Oh, let them talk, I pray. Watch God elevate me. Hey, folk can continue to doubt. They can say whatever, but I've been chosen, set apart. I'm on another level. I'm winning, no matter what they say. I'm winning, I'm good either way. I'm shining, I'm rising, I do it every day. I'm winning, watch God make my way. I don't argue with opinions, I don't chase validation. I've been moving with intention, making progress, no hesitation. If it don't align with purpose, I don't entertain. You can talk all you want, I'm gon' stay in my lane. I had doubts, I had fears, had to wipe away the tears. Now I'm standing in my power, now my focus is clear. I'm winning, no matter what they say. I'm winning, I'm good either way. I'm shining, I'm rising, I do it every day. I'm winning, watch God make my way. My victory is His promise. Now I know too much, there's nothing stopping me. I'm covered, I'm enough. I don't move in fear now, I don't second guess. Every step is ordered, I'm walking into my best. Only God can promote me, and now I understand this plan. There's no way I can't win. My destiny in His hands. No matter what they say, I'm winning. I'm good either way. I'm shining, I'm rising, I do it every day. I'm winning, watch God make my way. I'm winning, no matter what they say. I'm winning, no matter what they say. I'm winning, I'm good either way.